Hi, we're Tiller's Folly, and we're on 67music.net.
We're in the banquet room at Galway Bay Irish Festival, and we've got Tiller's Folly. We got Nolan, Bruce, and Lawrence over here.
Hello.
Their first time at Galway Bay. Hello. Gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Great set so far. Awesome. How are you finding the crowds and the audiences for you?
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
Wonderful turnout. We haven't had a slow set yet. Everyone's been packed and busy.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, we noticed that Friday night was especially well attended.
Yeah, Friday was a great show.
It's the whole festival is well attended, but particularly last night, so that was good. There was.
And it's very well organized. Yeah. It's one of the best organized festivals we've attended in.
Bill does a great
time.
job, and all of his staff. Yeah.
I think what I enjoy most about it is the variety of the venues, that you can go from one place and be really raucous, and then another room will be totally intimate, and so there's something for everybody in the way they've laid it out this year.
Mixes it up. Huh?
Yeah, the quality of the entertainment. There's so much great stuff. Really enjoying it.
Well, right now we're in support of Go the Road, which is a bit of a departure. In the past, we've done recorded a lot of Celtic music. We've recorded a lot of songs of Pacific Northwest historical significance. This is the first album that's second album that's kind of diverged from that. The songs were brought on by my 50th birthday, and I thought if there was something I had to say, I should be able to say it by 50. So I've sort of summed up all my favorite ideas, and
there is Bruce at 50.
me at 50.
The whole story.
The whole story.
That
See
would
it
be
here.
Bruce the Shadow right there, and that's his road case.
Once I knew for certain all the joys of life awaited. Being made the star of destiny. But time is a teacher, and each lesson takes a toll. And now I know there's nothing comes free. But this is a lovely album, and it features some of the greatest acoustic roots performers in the world. Celtic aficionados will know Phil Cunningham is an amazing accordionist and multi-instrumentalist of Silly Wizard and Phil and Ali fame. And then we've got a lot of bluegrass, some really great bluegrass musicians on here. Sam Bush, John Cowan, and that's only a few.
Yeah, Grammy Award-winning artists
Randy
Coors and Ronnie McCurry from, of course, Don McCurry's band, and Jeff Autry and Scott Vestal, both amazing award-winning musicians.
And we're so pleased about having them show their support by being part of this project.
No doubt. Sounds great.
And Wendy Waldman, the legendary producer, singer, songwriter, Wendy Waldman.
And our own Juno-nominated producer out of Victoria,
Joey Bakers.
So that's a lot of names for you to all digest. Wait till
Or Google.
Can stop anytime.
So you're on tour now, obviously. You got some Portland dates coming up.
Yes. We do, as well.
And then what's coming up later in the year and beyond, guys?
Well, next week we'll be in North Carolina, which takes us back into the land of the pines. Yeah, it's a beautiful place, and again, the reception down in the south, very much a music culture where folks really feel part of their identity is wrapped up in the music. So we always find that refreshing.
But you do know we are in Portland on November 9th.
Yes.
What is
67 Music will be there.
Oh, excellent.
That's S&A Irish Entertainment.
How do I say the name of the place?
Tualatin.
Tualatin.
Yeah.
Tualatin. There we are. Tualatin.
Tualatin.
A ton of tualips.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of happy Portlanders, so we appreciate you guys being here this year, and we hope you can come back again in subsequent years. So, how about a website, guys? Where can they learn more about you all?
TillersFolly.com. TILLERSFOLLY. And like us on Facebook.
Yeah, like us, and also we have we've just been moved into a new syndicated show on PBS Music City Roots, and anybody
Excellent.
that Googles that, they can. We were very fortunate to get picked up. There's a lot of amazing talent, and they sorted through it, and we were one of the lucky ones that got picked for
Congratulations.
their a new syndicated premiere season. So, and we just finished a half-hour special with Roots Down Under in Australia.
Oh, wow.
So
Cool.
you can Google this. You can see us on YouTube. We have our own channel, so please.
We're
visit
going
us.
global.
All right. All right, Tiller's Folly, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate
so
the
much.
time.
Thank
All
you
right,
so
we'll
much.
be around.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Okay. Have a
Pleasure.
great time. We'll
Cheers.
talk to you again.
All right. Cheers.